Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Collective. If you're a car lover or a fan of classic automotive design, you're in for a treat today. We've got something truly special to talk about, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Yep, you heard that right, Volkswagen's iconic Karmann Ghia is making a comeback, and it's bringing with it a whole new level of style and performance. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into everything you need to know about this modern-day revival of a classic legend. For those of you who may not be familiar with the Karmann Ghia, let's take a quick step back. The Karmann Ghia was originally produced between 1955 and 1974, and it quickly became a beloved symbol of automotive elegance and fun. It combined the practicality and simplicity of the Volkswagen Beetle with the sleek, stylish body designed by Ghia, an Italian design house. The result? A car that captured the hearts of enthusiasts all around the world. Now, in 2025, Volkswagen is reviving this legendary model, and it's even better than before. Let's start with the design, the first thing that will catch your eye. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia takes the timeless design elements from the original and modernizes them in a way that feels both nostalgic and fresh. The curvy, compact body is instantly recognizable, but there's a sleek, more refined look to it now, thanks to subtle updates to the exterior. The rounded edges and long front hood still have that classic Ghia look, but now they're paired with modern touches like sharp LED headlights and a more aggressive stance. It's a car that still looks like it belongs in the 60s, but has all the refinement of a modern sports coupe. Under the hood, the 2025 Karmann Ghia packs a punch. This isn't just a beauty queen, it's got the performance to back it up. Volkswagen has taken the best parts of its modern engineering and put them into this classic. The car is powered by a turbocharged 2-liter engine, delivering around 250 horsepower. While it's not going to break speed records, the car is all about that perfect balance between performance and everyday usability. It's quick enough to give you a thrilling ride, but still comfortable for those long Sunday drives or weekend getaways. The 2025 Karmann Ghia also benefits from cutting-edge technology, something that was unheard of back in the original's time. It's got a fully electric option, tapping into Volkswagen's growing EV lineup. That's right, you can get this modern Karmann Ghia with zero emissions, offering a smooth, silent driving experience. The electric version features an impressive range of over 300 miles, so you'll be able to take it on longer trips without worrying about finding the next charging station. The traditional gasoline engine is still available for those who want to keep that old-school driving feel, but the electric option is definitely a nod to the future. When it comes to the interior, Volkswagen has done a remarkable job of blending classic design with modern tech. The cabin feels cozy and retro with an emphasis on simplicity and quality materials. You'll find leather-trimmed seats, polished wood accents, and a vintage-inspired dashboard with modern digital elements. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art with a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. It's everything you need in a modern car, but with that old-school charm. The driving experience in the 2025 Karmann Ghia is as good as you'd expect from a car that's built with passion and precision. Whether you're in the gasoline version or the electric one, it handles beautifully. It feels agile and responsive, just like the original Karmann Ghia did back in the day, but with updated suspension and modern engineering. It's a car that's just as fun to drive as it is to look at, with the kind of handling that puts a smile on your face every time you hit the road. Now, let's talk about price. The 2025 Karmann Ghia comes in a range of configurations, with the starting price for the gasoline model around $40,000. The electric version starts at about $45,000, which is pretty competitive considering the level of tech and performance you're getting. For a car that blends such rich history with cutting-edge technology, it's an absolute steal. So, there you have it, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. It's the perfect blend of classic charm and modern innovation. Whether you're a longtime fan of the original or someone looking for a stylish, fun-to-drive car with the latest technology, the new Karmann Ghia is a car that's sure to impress. That's it for today's video, folks. What do you think of the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia? Are you excited about this revival, or do you think the original was perfect as it was? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the Car Collective, and ring the bell so you never miss out on all the latest automotive news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.